In the cities, actually the incidence of cancer in the cities is about 6 times more than in the villages. The rural areas, 5 females out of a lakh of people are subject to cancer. But whereas in cities, it is about 30 per a lakh of people. Why? There can be many reasons. One is their lifestyle here in the cities, or 2, it may be because they have an access to the doctor, so they go there very quickly, so they get diagnosed. But these facts are not known very much. In the case of villages, it's a lack of knowledge. In the case of cities, it is an overload of information. There is so much of information every day coming out. There is so much of research going on in the cancer area. Again, it's very difficult to make sense out of those things unless somebody who is an expert puts the whole thing in an intelligent manner, in a simple language, in a language understood by the people. That's the reason why this has come out. Now, you should also know something about the author of this, Dr. Raghuram. A mention has been made that he has come back from England, even though he had a wonderful job there. He and his wife, both of them are having good jobs. But the point is, I have been watching him. He is an extraordinary and an exceptional gentleman I have seen. You know, in the cancer, there is a lot of scope for ethical malpractices. I have seen one of the
एक्ट्रेस ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन के पिता की तबीयत लंबे समय से नासाज है। जानते ही होंगे आप लोग कि बच्चन परिवार ने इसी के चलते इस बार होली का त्योहार भी नहीं मनाया। लेकिन तमाम परेशानियों, तमाम दुखों के बाद भी महानायक अमिताभ बच्चन अपने काम पर लगे हुए हैं। अमिताभ हमेशा से ही अपने निजी और व्यावसायिक जीवन को अलग रखते आए हैं। इस बार भी बिग बी ने ऐसा ही किया। बीते दिन बिग बी सोशल इवेंट पर पहुंचे। इस इवेंट पर सोशल एप्लीकेशन को अमिताभ बच्चन ने लॉन्च किया। बिग बी ने एप्लीकेशन को लॉन्च करने के बाद सभी को एड्रेस किया। उसके बाद वो वहां से रवाना हो दिए। बेशक महानायक लंबे समय तक इवेंट में नहीं रुके, लेकिन हमेशा की तरह उनके जीवन में आई किसी भी परेशानी से उनका काम नहीं रुका। देख ही पा रहे होंगे आप लोग इस वीडियो के जरिए कि पूरे इवेंट में महानायक के चेहरे पर उदासी छाई थी। नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम की रिपोर्ट।
Subscribe now to receive new updates, reviews and news.